Hello everybody, Trucker Real Deal here, coming to you guys with a just a really quick update on the truck. As you guys saw in the previous video, I was working on the exhaust. This has been done. I'm just now getting to you guys with an update. But yeah, without further ado, let me go ahead and show you guys what was done. You guys go ahead and take a look at it. Okay. So we have the S pipe, down pipe, whatever you want to call it. The new clamp right here for the turbo. Flex pipe right here. Got the white pipe right there. Flex pipe over to there. Flex pipe over to the other one. They have a few different variants where they actually will run, instead of that flex pipe, there's actually a piece that actually can go there. But honestly, I really wasn't worried about it or messing with it for right now. And parts that were readily available was that 36-inch flex pipe. But yeah, so here we go. I'll show you guys right here. Let's see. So, got my new elbow. Okay. Got that in there looking pretty good. All the way over to the other side. New elbow on that side as well. Believe it or not, it was a very simple job. This pipe was the pipe that was previously on the truck, as well as the white pipe. I just brought them back to life with that paint. I pressure washed them, cleaned them up, and this is how it looks now. I think it looks pretty good. One less thing for DOT to mess with me on. So just a quick little update. I got a lot of stuff that I need to post, a lot of stuff, but I'm gonna get to it one of these days. I got videos made up. I got a lot of stuff I've done to the truck, just have not uploaded it. So if you do follow my channel, thank you. For any of the new subscribers recently, thank you guys for subscribing, and just bear with me. I'll have more stuff coming soon enough. So until next time, I'll give you guys one more overlook. That's it. Yep. I'm out of here.